Hey everybody, so today I am making a sort of geode clock. It started off that way and it kind of got messed up, and at the end you'll see what I made, but I think it came out really great. So basically I have mixed up some Epsom salt with some glitter and some eye candy rose quartz, and I'm just mixing that all together. And I'm doing a thin layer of clear resin in my clock mold, but something to adhere to. Now I'm putting that little mixture of Epsom salt into a few areas in my mold. I just have some little purple stones I'm adding in there. And I have my gold. This is 14 karat gold eye candy mica that I'm adding, as well as some purple, which I will make sure to link all of the products that I'm using down in the description. So here I have my eye candy pigment paste, and I'm just mixing that in, the white pigment paste with clear resin. And now I'm adding a little bit of my eye candy rose quartz into the white pigment paste. A little sparkle. And I have some gold flakes that I'm adding into some clear resin. I think those were part of the Nick Pro kit that I bought, which I am using the Nick Pro resin today too. And now I'm mixing in the eye candy 14 karat gold with clear resin. I'm adding small tongue gold mica to that as well, just to give it a little more opaqueness, I guess. Okay, so I'm adding purple and orchid alcohol inks. I decided I want to add some mica to that, so I have my small tongue purple mica that I'm adding in there as well. Now I have a gold purple, I think, mica that I'm adding into the next one. And some purple glitter as well. And now I've mixed my 14 karat gold pigment paste from eye candy. I've put it into a pastry bag so that I'll be able to make some lines. Now I'm adding some magenta alcohol ink, as well as some apricot pink mica powder by Small Tongue. Just adding a little clear. My clock mold wasn't quite level when I started, so I'm just adding some clear and then some purple alcohol ink to fill in that little area where I have a gap. I'm starting to pour my magenta alcohol ink. I have my purple mica with the glitter that I'm adding in there. Kind of going the same direction as the previous lines that I had done with the magenta. Now I'm adding my purple alcohol ink mica mixture. Or my gold flakes. I poured a little extra into that area, so I am just spreading those gold flakes out. Now I'm pouring some white that I mixed the eye candy pigment paste with the words. Making some lines, no specific direction or order, just trying to make them look natural. Now I have my pastry bag with the gold mica mixture and just kind of going around where I did the white lines previously.
Trying to find a trace and calling, shouting out your name, calling. Is this really what I think it is? Am I really the one you need? Desperate times running around, chasing each other down. Is this really what I think it is?
I'm winning, I won't hold back. Not stop until I'm the best. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you too. Floor is yours, reach out to the ground. Do you believe we're never gonna give up? We're close. Let it go inside. Watch me now, I'll take back the crowd. Oh, take back the crown. Oh, win back the crown. Those lights blowing me, I'm floating so high, no one can touch me. I'm vexed to the rhythm, throw it down.
Now I've added a little more white just on top of that gold. I'm adding some more rose quartz just on the top in my crystal areas. Okay, it's time to demold this purple beautiful clock. Let's see how it looks. Outside of the mold. Okay. Let's see. I have one little piece here. Easily break off. This is the next day. It is cured, but it's not so hard. I can't just break these little pieces off, which is excellent. That saves me time trying to sand the whole thing. I might sand it a little anyway, but here we go. This is what we got. I think it really came out pretty. It's not a geode, but it's definitely different and pretty. In my opinion, I think it came out great. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.